Hi everyone, welcome back, and for today's video I will be making a very beautiful painting. So it's basically a recreation of the painting that I saw yesterday, and I wanted to have my own kind of view on it, and that is what we are going to do in this video. So I will be showing you how you can make a very cool abstract painting digitally. So if you guys are interested in watching this painting, then please go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification. And without further ado, let's just go jump into the video and making this. Hi everyone, welcome back, and for today's video I will be making a very beautiful abstract painting for you guys. I have a painting in mind that I was thinking to make from a very long time, and it's been in my boards. So I'm gonna make this painting. It's a teal blue kind of a color. For this painting, what I'm gonna do is take a black background as a base for my canvas. Then I'll go ahead and select a brush which has a really nice texture to it. You can use any brush that you want, but I'm just gonna go for this brush because I feel like it has more texture to it. So basically I'm just going to choose a color which is more likely or maybe similar to the referring painting that I'm referring to, and I'll just spread the color around randomly, and then on the next layer I'll just reduce the size of my brush and increase the saturation a bit, and with a brighter color I'll just go ahead and just randomly putting it everywhere that I want it to be. So basically the effect that I'm going here for is darker on the outsides and brighter in the inside. So for that, what I'm gonna do is just put the dark colors on the edges of the canvas, and as we go towards the center I'll just brighten up the color. So in Procreate we have a very interesting option that we can use to give a very cool effect to our paintings. So we have an option called liquify, and in that option we have different settings. So I'm using this crystal setting which just spreads the color around and makes crystal kind of a pattern on the edges of the painted area. So I'm basically just repeating the same steps. I'm just taking a new layer and just building my colors to give it a more 3D kind of a look. I'm just going to make some shadows and some highlights, as you can see here, and using the same liquify setting I'm just going to crystallize this to give it a cool effect. And you know, the blue color speaks to me. I really like blue color. Anything in blue or maybe black or white just really brings out the mood, you know. I can make space paintings, I can make like beautiful abstract paintings using blue colors. It's the color of the sky, it's the color of the space, it's the color of the sea. So everything is very peaceful when you talk about blue. So that's why I like this color so much. And we're just about to finish this painting. It's a very easy painting. As you can see, I'm using different kind of brushes that I have in my Procreate, and you can easily repeat the same steps that I'm using here to create this painting. I know it's a very short video, but I wanted to make this video because these are some kind of paintings that I love to make. So apart from making portrait paintings, I also make these abstract paintings. These are very easy to make. As you can see here, we are just done with the painting and it's complete, and you can see how cool it looks. You can also use this as a wallpaper, if you will. So now I'm just gonna give some final touch-up details. I'm using a new layer here and just giving those little kind of details to it so that it looks 3D, and just liquefying it a bit more. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure that you hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell for more videos like these, and I'll see you guys in the next one.